Hi everybody, this is the Retouch4me Clean Backdrop quick tutorial. It's about different scale modes, live model, batch processing, and Automask. Copy the background layer and run the plugin. If the plugin has internet access, the live model will be active with blue icon. This means that the fastest, most accurate, and up-to-date neural model is automatically downloaded. Start with Fine Dirt. This mode will remove small scratches and dirty spots from the background. For most photos, let Fine Dirt be your default setting. Hint: sometimes neural network may retouch the subject as well as the background. To avoid this, enable Automask. This will protect the subject from retouching. Mask looks like this. If you don't like to mess with Photoshop, go with standalone application. If Fine Dirt mode left creases and spots, use the next scale mode, Medium Dirt. This mode smooths out even more than Fine Dirt. But if the background is still not perfect at 100% scale, use the next mode, Coarse Dirt. This will flatten out all the large bumps. Batch mode. Add multiple photos at once. Adjust settings for one photo. Press spacebar to switch before and after. For this batch, Coarse Dirt mode works great. Click Start Processing. Select Folder to save. That way, instead of manually cleaning the background, you can do more fun things and then just check the results. Try now. Download at Retouch4me. Watch the other videos to speed up your workflow.